Hi friends, today we are going to make the traffic light project using Arduino UNO. Friends, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. It gives more energy to produce more and more videos. Let's get started. In this project, we need a Arduino board and then 4 segment LED display TM1637 and then traffic light module, and then we need a switch. I made the switch for mountable format, pasting some pep stick around it, and then we need one battery holder, 2 lithium ion batteries and few jumper wires, and then we need one car to demonstrate this project. Okay, before going to start the project, we need to make some arrangement for traffic light to make the road environment. For that we need some arrangement. I taken some cardboard and apply some fevi stick and then pasted the black color A4 sheet. So it makes the road environment, exact road, real road environment. Okay, dimensions of these cardboard is random. You take whatever you want the shape. Then I take the white color paper, cut it into 0.6 centimeter width and pasted both corners. So here I pasted one corner. Now it look like the road environment. So another corner also I pasted the white color paper, white color strip 0.6 centimeter, and then I make the marking with the scale to make the zebra crossing. Here also I pasted one strip of white color paper. See here, you just make sure that the strip is in straight form. Before cutting the paper, you have to be very patiently, you have to make this cutting, otherwise the paper will go non-straight. The strip should be in very straight so that the appearance will be very nice. After that I take some small strip of paper for making zebra crossing. I pasted one by one, look like this. Very carefully we have to paste. Now we need another platform to place the circuit boards. For that I cut in a small piece of cardboard. So here I mark the two marking, one for placing the switch, another for mounting the pole. A traffic signal pole we have to mount. So for that I need we need one pole mount, another one is switch mount. Okay, first we have to cut this and make the mount like this. Then here I am going to paste the green color paper. It look like a greeneries. So that I cutted the green color paper and pasted with fevicol. First we apply the fevicol and then the green color paper place above the cardboard. So now I pasted the green color paper. After pasting the paper, cardboard look like this. Okay, next one is we need a pole, traffic light pole. For that I take a ice cream stick and make it a L shaped form, look like this. So we need one cardboard also for placing the traffic light and LED display. So we have to place like this. So remaining portions I covered with blue color paper with paste. Okay, now we have to mount the components. First I started from the switch. We have to place the switch as already made the hole for making the placing the switch. First we place the switch and then we have to place the battery holder. Take the two double side tape, pasted bottom of the holder and pasted with the cardboard. So look like this. After placing this, the board look like this. Now we have to mount the LED light and LED display. So you take a male to female jumper wire, connect with 4 pins present in the LED traffic light LED module. Make sure the connection should be very tight, otherwise the jumper wire will come out from the pin. So we have to be very tight, then only the connections make very strong. Okay, after placing this, it look like this. Now we have to mount the LED display on the cardboard, look like this. Okay, you take the double side tape and then paste it top of the traffic LED light. After making male to jumper connections to the TM1637 module. Okay, after making connections, the system look like this. Now after make all components, the system, the cardboard and the LED display system look like this. Okay, so now we have to go for a circuit connection. Before going to make the connections, you have to read the pin diagram. I'm giving pin diagram here. We have to connect 4 components: traffic LED, LED display, and then battery and switch. Okay, very simple connections. I am making first traffic LED connections. Here there are 4 pins are present. One is ground, another one is red LED, yellow LED and green LED. Okay, there are 4 connections we have to make with the Arduino board. Ground connection should connected with the ground pin of the Arduino board. Red LED connected with the 8th pin of the Arduino board. Yellow LED is connected with the 9th pin of the Arduino board. And then green LED is connected with the 10th pin of the Arduino board. So this is the connection for LED, traffic LED. Now we have to come for TM1637 LED module. Here also there are 4 connections are there. 2 connections for power, 2 connections for signal pin. Okay. First we have to connect the ground pin LED module to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Then power connection should be connected with 5 volt. So be careful. Repeat once more time. We have to connect 5 volt. Okay. And then clock pin should be connected into 2 second pin of the Arduino board, and then DIO pin is connected with the 3rd pin of the Arduino board. So this is the connection for TM1637 module. After that we have to connect the power connections. Battery positive should connected with V in pin of the Arduino board. Battery negative should be connected with the ground pin of the Arduino board. So this is all about the connections. Before making to the connections, you have to connect with the switch on the battery, so that on off control will be easy. Okay, this is all about the circuit. Next one is a program. For program we have to open the IDE, click the icon, then the IDE environment will open. I made already program. Here is the traffic light program. There are bunch of lines I written here. First we have to include the TM1637 display module library. Then I given pin configuration of TM1637 module. Then I given the LED traffic LED module configuration. What are the pins should be connected in the Arduino board. Next one is the timing. How much time should be light on. Okay, I given here. And then I make the pin mode setup, whether it is input or output. So the 3 pins coming under output mode. In while loop section, I given the statement when the LED is on, green LED, red LED and yellow LED is on. Okay, so here is my logic. Green LED will display 15 seconds, and then orange LED will display 7 seconds, then red LED is displayed in 10 seconds. Okay, so now it is noted that if you are using first time TM1637 module, the 4 segment LED display module, we have to include the library. For that we have to go for sketch. And then include library. There will be drop down menu, then it will come into include library, then manage libraries. Once if you are clicking the manage library, the library manager display will open. We have to type TM1637 in that search bar. After clicking the search bar, the bunch of libraries are available here. Then we have to search Avishai Orpus. This is the library TM1637 module. This library works very good. Then we have to install. You just see, I already installed that library, so that it shows installed. Okay, if it is not installed, you see here the install button will look like this. If you click that, the library will install. Okay, if you are not installed this library, the program will not open and work. Okay, library is very important. You have to include the library. Then we have to go for tools and check the Arduino board is selected or not, and then port, which port is connected. Then go for this tick mark for verification of code. So I made this code without any error. The code is very clean, so it will give no error. Then you click the upload button. The program will upload it to the Arduino board. So next for testing how the system will work. Let's see. Come. From the system is working very good. I hope you understand the project. If you have any doubt, can comment me in the comment box. I will explain you. Code and pin diagram I will give in the description box. If you need, you download it. Okay friends, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, you just subscribe it. It gives more energy to produce more and more videos. I planning to give more Arduino project videos in this channel. I need your support friends. Thanks for watching. We will see in next video. Bye.